This is the Pir Panchal region. Nature has bestowed it with flowers and greenery. This region is a part of the Jammu and Kashmir state, which came into existence on the 15th of March 1846 after a pact between Raja Gulab Singh of Jammu and the British government. Besides Pir Panchal, the new state was comprised of Kashmir Valley, Ladakh, Gilgit and Hamza, etc. Pir Panchal region is located in the south and southwestern side of Jammu and Kashmir state, which includes Poonch, Rajouri, Mirpur, Bhimbar, Uri and Muzaffarabad. Before 1947, its boundaries touched District Gujarat, Jhelum and Hazara of Western Punjab, now in Pakistan. After the turmoil of 1947, when the line of actual control was drawn in the heart of this region, the districts namely Mirpur, Bhimbar, Kotli, Bagh, Sadnuti, Rawalakot and Muzaffarabad came under the occupation of Pakistan. But there is a similarity of language, culture and lifestyle among the people living along both the sides of the line of actual control. The population of the region is divided into two tribes, that is Gujjar Bakarwals and Pahadis. The Gujjars have a unique type of lifestyle, historical background and cultural heritage. The livelihood of a large part of the population of this tribe depends upon rearing of cattle and agricultural activities. These people normally have their habitations near the forest areas. They live in kacha houses and have a distinctive and typical tribal lifestyle. Those Gujjars who are homeless and landless are nomadic and move in tribal caravans along with herds of goats, flocks of sheep, fleet of horses from the highland to the pasture in search of fodder for their cattle. Normally they pass their nights around campfires and live in tented colonies. They are known as Bakarwals. The majority of the population of this region are known as Pahadis. Although the word Pahadi means people of the mountains, an all-embracing term, yet it is restricted to those tribes in Jammu and Kashmir state whose mother tongue is the Pahadi. An English writer, Frederick Drew, in his book, The Northern Barrier of India, has described the Pahadi as strong, hardy, brave, tough and active race. Pahadis are divided into a number of sub-castes like Malak, Jiral, Chid, Sudan, Thakyal, Tond, Damal, Pirozal, Khaggar, Khakhe, Bambe, Jat, Rathor, Tamal, Sayyid, Qureshi, Pathans, etc. Those Hindus and Sikhs who live in Pir Panchal region and speak the Pahadi are also known as Pahadis. The original script of the Pahadi was Lunde or Takri, but nowadays Pahadi is written in Shahmukhi script. The Pahadi has sub-names also, like Mirpuri, Chabai, Poonchi, Potharvi, Hindko, Kagani, etc. Similarly, Saiful Maluk is another form of Sufiana Kalam which is most popular in Pir Panchal region. The history of the people of this region is very ancient. In almost